guys and welcome to my latest video. Now I am joined by the lovely Talk Becky Talk, who is my gorgeous sister, in case you have not noticed. It's so nice for you to be here. I'm so sorry. Yeah, look at this guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. I had a tragic accident. No, I'm joking. This is part of a collaboration that I'm doing with the lovely Becky. So we're doing some Halloween videos and I am doing here on my channel today a little tutorial of how to get this gruesome scar. But I literally walked into the room, Becky was like, oh! I was like, oh.
So real. It honestly looks so real. I'm not just saying that. I've never seen something looking this real.
But it's so simple to do, and I have never done this before in my life. This is my first attempt, so I'm also going to do another one up here to show you guys just how easy it is and what you'll need for it as well. And then over on Becky's channel, make sure at the end of the video you go and check her channel out, obviously to subscribe to her, but also because she is doing an amazing pumpkin carving making video.
Yay, decoration. Yay. Nice and girly and fun. Not
yes.
Blood.
No, no blood, but yeah, we like a bit of blood though every so often. Da, da, da. Okay, so let's get started. So you will need the Snazaroo Special Effects Kit, which has the gel blood, the wax, the spatula, the blood paint, and also just some wet tissue. So I'm going to actually just spatula some out at the moment. You just get a little bit of wax out using the spatula, and then you just pop it onto your head. Now this is actually quite difficult to mould, as you can see, but I basically just kind of got it quite warm using my fingers and then just moved it about as much as I wanted to. You can make it as small or as little as you want, but make it quite bumpy as well, because it doesn't have to be that smooth, because it just kind of adds to the texture. So I'm just kind of making it as long as I want, and then I get the spatula and I just kind of score right down the middle. You can add extra lines if you want to and make it as deep as you want to. This is obviously where you can get creative with how you want it to look. And then I grab my sponge and I put some of the red paint onto it, and I just dab that all over where I have just put the wax. And this just kind of makes the sort of greys look, and it doesn't matter if you get it everywhere. Like you can see I've got a little bit down below. It doesn't really matter, because that kind of all adds to the effect. So then I'm going to take the Special Effects Gel Blood. Now be careful, because this kind of gets everywhere. But you just snip the top off, and then it just literally just kind of squeezes out. So you just pour it, well, kind of squeeze it along the line that you've just created. You can do this as much or as little as you want to. I actually put quite a lot on here, so it actually started to drip. But you can obviously put less on if you want to, and you can always wipe off any excess as well, which you can see obviously there was a little bit of a drip there, so I just wiped it off with my wet tissue. It's kind of easy to keep that at hand. It's kind of best, because you will get some sort of dribble, which is never good on your carpets. And then this is the final look. So this is the scar that I did earlier as well, which I think looks really cool. So I look like I've been in a massive car accident or something dreadful, but I really hope you guys enjoyed that really quick tutorial just to show you how easy it is to get this look. Da, da, da. Are you scared?
It's weeping.
Oh, well that adds to the effect, that's the thing. And the beauty is, you can do them any size. You can even do like little circles to look like bullet wounds or something like that. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. The possibilities are endless. So, guys, please give this video a massive thumbs up if you have enjoyed this, and if you are going to create this look yourself, please tweet me a photo, because I would love, love, love to see what you guys come up with. And of course, subscribe to my lovely, wonderful, beautiful sister, Talk Becky Talk. So I'll see you guys in a few days' time in my next video, looking slightly less bloody. Bye, guys! Bye!
Get closer.
Hey, man.
Hey, man.
How you doing?
Oh
my god! Oh my god! My head's shrinking into a nut.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, what are we doing?
Am I just waving?
Yeah, just wave. Okay, smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. You know that on the Madagascar? On the penguins of Madagascar? Just smile and wave, boys. Smile and wave. Okay.
Okay.
Where got it?
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.